Oh my gosh, guys. We are the champion, my friends. Okay, not true. This is the ALTHEA box has arrived. We have a little unboxing today. ALTHEA, can you see ALTHEA here? I don't think most people know this, but ALTHEA have this new kind of ambassadorship kind of thing going on. Community, I don't know what to call that, to be honest. They call it the ALTHEA Angels, and apparently I'm one of them right now. So they sent me like a goodie for a start. Very excited, to be honest. I kind of know what's inside there already because those people, right, naughty people, right, they took picture of what content inside and then after that show it to us, you know, on the Facebook page. We are the champion, my friends. Yes, this is Angels, ALTHEA Angel. Oh my gosh, can you see how beautiful that is? I'm so sorry, I don't think all of you can receive this box if you actually buy stuff from ALTHEA, but I think they do have the 3rd anniversary special box. I have no idea what that is, but oh my gosh, the interior looks so good. It's a blue, nice blue color, baby light blue. I don't even know if this is like blue color, but I love the inside. It's so nice, the color. Oh my gosh. Welcome to ALTHEA Angel, the beauty ambassador community. This is, I believe, like a beauty bag or like a makeup bag. All these are like specially made for us. Oh my god. Yes! Oh my gosh, it's really all specially catered for us. ALTHEA Angel, spread your wing. Oh my god, it's so cool! I love this size of beauty bag. It's the best because you can put in everything like makeup. You can put in a lot of makeup and travel with it. Or even, to be honest, just like your toiletries. You can put in your toothbrush. It will fit perfectly. I love it so much. Oh, this is so pretty, so gorgeous. And inside, the best part about it is that it's easy to wipe. It's easy to clean. If anything goes wrong, don't worry. You can just wipe it up. I think if I have time, I might do the arts and craft that they kind of provided this year. So we'll see how. Or maybe I might do it in another video. I don't know yet. We'll see how. Everything also spread your wings and ALTHEA Angels. It's a nice size mirror. You can see yourself. Can you fit in the bag? I think you can. Oh yeah, you can fit in the bag. And look at that. Okay, cool. That's one thing in the bag. What else? Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna open this one first. This is recycle bag, tote bag. Do you call this recycle bag? I don't know. I always call this recycle bag because I always use this for shopping only. By the way, if you don't know, ALTHEA this year already turned 3. Seriously, how time flies. It's already been 3 years. ALTHEA, you have been in Malaysia for 3 years. Oh my gosh. And you have been blooming and you have been like going out of the country. You've been going overseas, expanding overseas. Guys, you guys are doing amazing. Let's move on. Okay, we have 2 wonderful new products. Okay, to be honest, I really don't know if it's wonderful or not. I really don't know if it's a great product or not. I just saw it and I'm like, oh my gosh, like ALTHEA, now you have more ALTHEA brand skincare products. Daily 10-second wash off mask? What? Mask? Are you serious? It's called Real Fresh Skin Detoxer. One is green tea, the green color one is green tea, and the pink color one is rose. So I really don't know what this is. Can somebody tell me what this is? Is this a mask? If this is a real mask, I can do this in another video actually. Rose one looks, oh my gosh, it looks so pretty, so gorgeous. Let me go and figure out what these are first. Although it states that it's like a 10-second wash off mask, I need to figure out whether do you really need to use this as like a mask for a while and then only wash it off. And I will, guys, I think maybe I have to do a separate video for this. Next up, what do we have inside? What do we have inside? Okay, this is the part where I dread the most. When you see cards, it is basically art and craft already. Let's see what I can do. Hello angels, welcome to the ALTHEA Angel Beauty Ambassador community. A heaven for inspiring and talented beauty reviewers to come together, okay? We hope you like your welcome gift. Yep, this is basically where I love it. Thank you so much, ALTHEA. I love this welcome gift. I feel so loved. Thank you so much, ALTHEA. But now, keep calm, JQ, keep calm. Okay, so there's a 10% promo code, okay? It expires on September 30th. Should I tell you? ALTHEA turns 3. Check down in the description box below for the promo code for the 10% off. If you want to buy something for ALTHEA, this is the best time because you got a promo code. I'm not affiliated, I'm not not getting any commission out of this. I'm just giving you guys the promo code that they gave me. You guys can get 10% off. I don't get anything in return other than these products. These are the birthday books that apparently I'm supposed to put it together. We have 3 colors. One is in pink, one is in purple, and one is in blue. I guess we're doing it, but I need to like kind of reset up the whole table first. Okay, I will come back to you in a bit. I don't know if you know this. Yeah, my table is very messy right now. There's like one mic here. The one that I'm recording right now is with this mic, and this mic is actually more for like my gaming kind of mic thingy. I have a laptop in front of you that I pushed kind of behind already. I have like some kind of sound system here that's also just specifically for my gaming kind of recording. No, you can't really see. I'm sure you can't really tell, but it's okay. Don't worry. You can see my face most importantly. Don't worry, don't worry. I actually have another camera here just to kind of give you like a more of a close-up kind of look. Apparently this is easier. You probably don't even require a glue. Hallelujah. Okay, oh, I don't know if you can tell, but I kind of almost ruined it already. Okay, there you go, there you go. Oh gosh. Oh wow, it's so easy to peel off now. Yes! So basically we just do this and I assume just fold and fold and fold. Oh gosh, let me put this. Like fold and just fold every corner that you have, okay? So fold and fold some more. Yeah, fold. Just fold every little corners and fold some more. I tell you first, if I screw up, right, just don't ever let me touch anything that has to do with arts. Okay, so I'm gonna fold everything, every little thing, and then how are we gonna do this? Oh my gosh. Okay. So let me guess. Is it like that? Do we need glue? It doesn't look like we need any glue at all. Look like oh, okay. So you just fold it inside like this, I would assume. Yes, because there's a little hole in there. Push it through inside here. Oh my gosh, I'm like a DIY expert already now. Trying to give some kind of tutorial right now. Yes, there you go. Oh my gosh, yes, can you see it? So I push it all in and then it comes out through here. It's so easy this year. Oh my gosh, guys, seriously. Oh, you guys are awesome and serious. Oh my gosh, it's so easy. Fold. Oh my gosh, I am such a DIY expert now. I'm giving tutorials on how to fold boxes into boxes or how to fold cardboards into boxes right now. Yes. Oh my gosh, I did this in like 2 minutes. Taryn. Oh, I have not sing happy birthday song to you, ain't I? Okay, let's do this. 3, 2, 1. Oh, we do the Marilyn Monroe one, okay? Yeah, we do like last year one. 3, 2, 1, action! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to ALTHEA. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Happy 3rd birthday to ALTHEA. Yeah. We are finishing this last box. The 3rd one is done too. The 3rd one is done too. Are these the same size? Oh, they are all different sizes. Oh my gosh, guys. Seriously, these are so adorable. I've done it! Oh my gosh! But yeah, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also hit that notification bell so that you receive a notification every single time I upload a video. One last thing before I go, thank you so much ALTHEA for all these 3 years of wonderful years of bringing K-beauty down to Malaysia, making it so easy for us to buy K-beauty stuff, and also not just bringing them down, sometimes make them quite cheap for us. To be honest, some of your items are really cheap as compared to buy outside. Even the ones that already have it in Malaysia, when you kind of check it outside, they're really expensive. So really, thank you so much ALTHEA for this amazing, wonderful 3 years, and I really hope you guys had a really good 3 years as well. And yeah, happy birthday once more, happy anniversary. And I hope this coming year, towards your 4th year, will be a terrific one as well. Baby, what are you doing?
Are you recording?
Yes.